Hi everyone, I want to especially welcome you to today's live trading session. So right now I'm gonna like that you share the links for today's class, share it out to all of your contacts, let them know we're live. Right now I'm trying to share my own link. Hello, hello, hello. Testing the microphone. Is okay. Testing the microphone. Alright, so we have good audio. Send the links to all of your contacts, all of your friends. Just let them know that we are live. So I'm sharing the link also. Alright, so the links are shared already. So quickly, I'm going to just share my screen and just take time to discuss with you what my market perception is, my market directional bias, what I am seeing in the market for the week, and what I'm expecting to do in the market in this course of the week. Alright, so my screen is currently being shared, and quickly I'll just take you through everything. So right now, we've hit stop loss already on gold. For those of you who are on the VIP channel, as I posted on the VIP channel, but for the free community, we're still on. We're not yet hit stop loss on silver. Okay, I posted silver on the free community and the VIP. So quickly, let me look at what the dollar index. Okay, I posted GBP USD. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's reversing back. It's struggling. So if you want to exit this trade, I think you should exit it. Okay, I already exited because look at it. This is the reason. There's a huge imbalance on the downside, which is this. I feel like price wants to come balance the imbalance. Remember, I told you that in the law of trading, that price is first for balance all imbalances before it moves up. So here is what we anticipated. Therefore, final TP. Okay, so which would have been correct, but it looks like the sellers have overpowered the buyers, and we want to come and test price around this huge fair value gap before price probably begins to go up again. So that's what my eyes on. So if you want to exit, you please exit. So the only trade that played out well left us behind while we're waiting for confirmation. The first one is UJ. That's why I didn't post it. Okay, left us behind. So this was my analysis. Okay. The second one is GC. GC also left us behind. I was trying to analyze it and it left us behind. Okay, and the fourth one is GBP JPY. This one went massively upward and did over 40 to 50 pips. Okay, so while I was waiting for a final confirmation, just kept on running, and that was not a good one. Okay, so what every reasons why we missed those trades has been noted so that we don't miss such again. So moving forward for today's analysis class, I'll just quickly show you what the dollar index is showing us so that we know exactly what to trade. As I already told you in this short conversation, is that there is an imbalance here of which price is already destined, okay, which is a big fair value gap. If you look from the 4 hour time frame, you see that um, DXY can be bearish this week. Okay, it can be, but at what exact time should it be bearish? Okay, it might be bearish most of the time this week, but it's actually somehow consolidated. Excuse me, to facilitate a pullback. No, put your eyes on the pullback, in as much as we're trading it as a bearish move. Okay, so my major concern will be on the bearish confirmation, which is whenever the price takes out this, then we know that a bearish move is permissible. So if we look at GU, then we can now trade the exact opposite of that. So that means we can still buy the GU for a short, okay, not long. If you look GU very well, you see that it has full confirmation for a buy. So I think if we have all confirmations correct, we might be able to buy a GU again. But this time maybe from around here up to just about where it is right now before we begin to close. So that's basically what I'm seeing on GU. We stay updated on the group so that anything changes, I'll let you know. Now, Japanese yen basket with this move may continue to go bullish. In that case, we might be able to just um, might just be able to, if it continues bullish, we might be able to sell, GJ. But this is what's showing us on the 4 hour time frame. It's currently on the demand zone. Okay, and when price on the demand zone like that, it's not too good to see it as bearish. It's better to see it as bullish. For me, I would prefer to see JPY here as bullish, okay, instead of bearish. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, our entry confirmation time frame, you see what I'm saying, okay? So you can see it's actually bullish, and if it's bullish, then GJ should be bearish. So if you're holding GJ, expecting GJ to still go bullish, that's what I said. Um, we should just wait on that. Okay, so let's see the next entry. So this is gonna buy definitely, most definitely. In that case, we're gonna find sales on GJ. Okay, take note of that, and that will help us to get better market decision. So let's look at what GJ is showing, since we've already understood why it's showing. let's look at the synthetics, right? Okay, so it's bullish as you can see. I have any bullish confirmation around here. I'm gonna buy GJ in volatility 25. It's bought massively, so I see. Mm, so it may still buy, but it will retrace a bit before it buys. Stay active and we'll give you updates on this, on what you should do when time is on. Okay, so don't forget, stay active on the group. Thank you for joining in for this short class, and I hope that you'll be able to gain rich value and make money for yourself this week in training. See you on the other side.